If you're a beginner seeking profitable trading opportunities, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore an auto buy-sell signal indicator that is incredibly user-friendly, making it perfect for you. I encourage you to watch this video until the end to discover more. We are using TraderEdge to do a backtest. TraderEdge is the best backtesting web application because it's very easy to use. Thousands of traders are using TraderEdge to get an edge on their competition. Not just a backtest, you can find another strategy with high win rate that has been tested. If you don't understand how to do a backtest, you'll also get a full step-by-step backtesting plan. Sign up right now and get over $450 worth of bonuses all for free. TraderEdge has a 7-day free trial, so there's absolutely no risk at all. Go ahead and click the link in the description below. We use these indicators by using TradingView. To install this indicator, you need a TradingView account. Choose a currency pair EUR/USD and set the time frame to 1 hour time frame. Use the search function within the indicator menu to find the AYN indicator developed by Snark. Click on it to select it. Once you have selected the AYN indicator, it's time to adjust the settings based on my recommendations. Access the input settings and uncheck all the boxes except for the Activate Buy Sell Label option. Additionally, change the indicator length to 31. Proceed to the Style settings and uncheck the bar color option. Once you have made these changes, click on OK to save the updated settings. Click on the indicator menu once again and search for the whole suite indicator created by InSilico. For the whole suite indicator, we will utilize the default settings, so no adjustments are necessary at this stage. Now let's add the final indicator to our chart. Search for the MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicator in the indicator menu. For the MACD indicator, we need to make some adjustments to optimize its functionality. Access the style settings for the MACD indicator and uncheck both the MACD and signal options. Once you have made these changes, your chart should resemble the desired configuration with all three indicators: a YN indicator, whole suite, and MACD properly integrated. In the next chapter, we will delve into how to effectively utilize this strategy, providing you with insights on making the most out of these indicators. Now, let's explore the buy enter rules for this trading strategy based on the observed chart conditions. The AYN indicator displays a buy signal. The whole suite indicator must show a green color. The MACD histogram is also green. When all of these conditions align, it suggests a potential buy opportunity in the market. At this point, you can proceed to place a buy order. To manage the risk effectively, it is advisable to set the stop loss order below the recent swing low. This helps limit potential losses if the market moves against your position. Regarding the take profit level, it is recommended to set it at 1.5 times the initial risk taken. This establishes a 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio, indicating that the potential profit target is 1.5 times greater than the initial risk. With patience and adherence to these rules, the trading position has the potential to reach the predetermined take profit level, resulting in a successful outcome. Now let's delve into the sell entry rules for this trading strategy based on the observed chart condition. The AYN indicator displays a sell signal. The whole suite indicator must show a red color. The MACD histogram is also red. When all of these conditions align, it indicates a potential sell opportunity in the market. At this point, you can proceed to place a sell order. To effectively manage risk, it is advisable to set the stop loss order above the recent swing high. This precautionary measure helps limit potential losses if the market moves against your position. In terms of the take profit level, it is recommended to set it at 1.5 times the initial risk taken. This establishes a 1 to 1.5 risk reward ratio, indicating that the potential profit target is 1.5 times greater than the initial risk. By patiently waiting and adhering to these rules, the trading position has the potential to reach the predetermined take profit level, leading to a successful outcome. You can try to use that strategy on demo account first. Here I have some other strategy lists that has been tested in this YouTube channel. You can access the strategy list in my Telegram channel. If you want to try making a passive income in trading, you can try my forex robot for free. Simple Trade Club have some expert advisor. You can see the portfolio here on your screen. This robot is free. You just need to follow a simple step. Contact me in Telegram now to get this robot for free. And with that, we come to the end of our discussion on the auto buy sell signal indicator. We appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and we hope that the information provided has been valuable to you. If you have any further questions or need assistance with implementing this indicator or any other trading strategies, please don't hesitate to reach out. We are here to help you navigate the world of trading and enhance your trading experience. Once again, thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more informative content in the future. We kindly request your support for this channel by liking the video and subscribing, as it helps us grow and deliver more valuable content in the future. Before we conclude, it is essential to provide a disclaimer. We are on Simple Trade Club. Create this video is for education purposes only and not a financial advice for you. We are not responsible for any profit or loss you had when using this trading strategy. Have a fantastic day and take care.